Today we're going to answer a question that is asked a lot for people using Microsoft Word, and that is creating a blank page. Because here's what usually happens. Someone has a header, they've got a paragraph going, and they're like, you know what, I want another header and I want it on the next page because this page is all about this header and I don't want it here. So you say, well, I want to create a new page, so how do I do that? And then they click somewhere and they start hitting enter. And they just hit enter as much as they can until a new page appears. And they're like, hey, I did it, create a new page. Now I'm gonna grab, maybe the header here. I'm gonna hit Control C and then Control V to paste it in. And then they can change this to their new header. Here's my new header, and I'm really happy about it. But there's a problem with this because they go back up here and they start filling in the rest of the information up here. So I'm gonna actually copy this to simulate typing. So we're typing here, we're typing some more here, and we're filling in all this information. And then they're ready to work on their next page. And then where's my header go? Well, it's because it's been pushed down. And so you come up here and you're like, oh, let me just delete that. You fix it. And then you do some more work and then it gets pushed down. But also it's pushing down page 3 and page 4 and page 5 when you create those pages. So imagine you had 30 different headers and you have to keep changing it. And even right before you produce the final version of this and turn it in, then you're gonna have to readjust those headers each time. So that is really not efficient and not cool. So I hit Control Z to undo everything we just did. Also, let me show you why this is happening. If you go up here to Home and then click in this paragraph section, this is the Show Formatting. Just left click on that. You can see what's happening. The symbol that you see here, that's a paragraph symbol. So those exist in the document, and that is what's pushing down the header. Every time you add more text, it's pushing down that paragraph. I'm back at the beginning and there is no second page. I only have one page now. All you have to do is click Insert and go to under the Pages section, just left click Blank Page. And now I can type in a header here. Let's paste in the header so it's the same style. Now this time, if I have the header, and then we come back up here and start adding new text. Let's keep adding new text. And then I'm like, okay, now it's time to work on page 2. Guess what? It's there because it recognizes this as its own page. Even if we keep typing up here, it'll eventually push off and say, okay, you want to continue this page, but it pushes that one down to, again, its own page. No matter what, it's going to be the top of its own page. And that's what you want. But what if we realized in typing this first section that this actually should be the end of a page and a new section should start right here? Now what do? This would be a great time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's quick, easy, and it's free. Well, it's not a big deal. You can just click at the end of your page if you really want it to end right here. Just click on it, go back up to Insert, and then choose Page Break. And it'll make sure this is the end. So I'm going to hit Page Break, left click, and it's got all that space there, and then this starts the new one. And here you type your new header right there, and then this is now its own page. We still have header here, and it's still its own page, and we don't have to keep adjusting these things. It's going to stay where you want it. So that should really help you out a lot. And just since we're here, you can also go to Insert, and you can go to Cover Page in the same section, and it's going to give you some options for cover pages. And so I can click one of these, left click, and it's going to go in the front before all your other pages. So now you know what most people in the world don't know, and that's how to make a blank page properly in Microsoft Word. So when you're comfortable with this, move on to the next video and I'll teach you something new. This would be a great time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's quick, easy, and it's free.